Hey there, Roku users. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you running out of space or simply tired of certain apps cluttering up your Roku home screen? No worries. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove an app from your Roku device in just a few simple steps. Before we get started, make sure your Roku device is powered on and connected to your TV. Ready? Let's do this. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen. First, grab your Roku remote and press the Home button. This will take you to your Roku home screen where you can see all of your installed apps listed. Step 2. Find the app you want to remove. Scroll through your list of apps using the directional pad on your remote until you highlight the app you'd like to delete. Got it? Great. Step 3. Open the Options menu. With the app highlighted, press the star button on your Roku remote. This button opens the Options menu for the selected app. Step 4. Select Remove Channel. In the Options menu, scroll down and select Remove Channel. Roku will ask you to confirm if you really want to remove the app. Simply click Remove again to confirm. Done. The app will be uninstalled from your Roku. It's that easy. Tip: reinstalling apps. If you ever change your mind and want to reinstall the app, just head over to the Roku channel store and download it again. Easy peasy. Conclusion. And there you have it. Removing unwanted apps on Roku is simple and keeps your home screen neat and tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more Roku tips, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next video.